Hello. In this video, I will show you how to set up workflow scheduling using the Optimajet workflow engine. You don't need programming skills for this, you only need to know how to work with the workflow designer. I will be working in Workflow Server, which is an admin panel with REST API integrated with Workflow Engine. You can do the same steps in your environment with an integrated workflow engine. I already have a pre-created schema called Document Approval. I want instances of this schema to be created at specific intervals, for example, every 10 seconds. At the moment, I have the ability to manually create an instance using the API, and it will be visible in the list of all instances. To create a scheduler for workflows, I will create a new schema and name it Interval Scheduler. It will consist of 4 activities. Initial for newly created instances that haven't started working yet. Waiting for wait the timer to expire. Create instance. In this activity, a ProSe instance will be created. Finished. If we need to stop the schema execution, we can transition to this activity. Now, let's add commands. I'm adding a start command to initiate the schedule. I'm adding a stop command to stop scheduling it. And I'm adding a restart command to start scheduling after it was stopped. We also need a timer to regularly create instances. For example, let's set the timer to 10 seconds. Now, I will connect the activities with transitions so that we can control the scheduler. We can start the schedule with the start command.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It motivates us to create new informative videos.
Stop it with the stop command. And restart it with the restart command. Since there will be a 10-second waiting interval, I'll add an auto transition. After creating a process instance, the schedule will automatically return to the waiting state. As you can see, there are an endless loop that we can break with the execution of stop command. The structure of our schedule is ready, and I will save the schema. However, we still haven't implemented the functionality. To create process instances, I will connect a basic plugin, as it contains the required create instance action. If you're using Workflow Engine, you can connect plugins using the Workflow Runtime Builder.
To talk with an expert and receive qualified answers to technical questions, you can always book a meeting using the link provided in the description.
Now that I have connected the plugin, I can add implementation to the create instance activity. As parameters, I will pass the schema name for instances we want to create every 10 seconds. It's a document approval scheme.
Please write in the comments which features of the Optimajet workflow engine you think we should make instructional videos about.
Let's save the schema, and our interval scheduler is ready. Let's test how it works from the API. Create an instance of our scheduler. Execute the start command to begin creating process instances. Let's check how the processes are being created. As you can see, the number of instances increases every 10 seconds. To stop this process, I will execute a stop command for the scheduler.
If you find this video helpful, please share as much as possible to create awareness.
In this way, we have created an interval scheduler using only the built-in features of Workflow Engine. You can further enhance it by adding execution permissions or passing interval and schema name as parameters when creating the scheduler instance. Please write in the comments if there's anything you didn't understand. Thank you for watching this video to the end.